Okay, so the last step is formatting your zine for the, well, I'll show you, for discussion board and for submit all work. So on discussion board, I already have one up. Please share your zine as a PDF, due 3/18. Please have this done before class. So before class, just load up your PDF. And then under submit all work, I want you to submit the PDF, but also your additional PSD files. So you can kind of put those on there too. And those should be relatively small, so it shouldn't be that bad. Okay, so let's go into making a PDF. So for this, we're going to use Adobe Acrobat. So that's part of the Creative Cloud suite. All right, Adobe Acrobat DC. You should already have it. If you don't, you can get it from the Creative Cloud. Now, yesterday, the Creative Cloud was not opening when I tried to show it. I'll just show you. It's right on here. You can download the app. All right, it's just going to spin and spin and spin. But the app is on here, and it's a good app to have. I use it all the time, honestly. But all right, that's just going to do its loading thing. All right, we'll come back to that when it opens up. So the Adobe Acrobat, you can click on it. All right, so this is like the basic interface. You can work from it from these like little buttons, or you can work from the tools. Okay, so all we're going to do is combine files into one thing. Okay, so right here, and it's not create PDF, it's actually the combined files. So we're going to go to open. All right, and again, we're combining our 8 files into one thing. So just think of it as that. So I'm going to go to add files. And the thing about it is that it's not going to see your Photoshop files. So the one thing you have to do, here, let me cancel because I'll show you the folder. You do have to take your PSDs, all right, and you have to save them as a JPEG. Okay, so here I have my cover, inside, front, page 2, 7, 4, 5, 6. These are all out of whack. They're not going to be like yours, but you get the idea. Okay, so if you're not sure how to save your PSD as a JPEG, I'll just show you quick. You should be able to do that. Okay, so here's my page. All right, now this is not going to delete my Photoshop file. It's just going to save it as another format. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and page 1 and 2. I'm going to switch it from Photoshop to JPEG right there. And then hit Save. Okay, I'm not going to do that because I already have one. So I'm going to hit Cancel. All right, back to Acrobat. So Acrobat, again, doesn't see Photoshop files. Okay, so you got to save it first as a JPEG. All right, I'm showing you the folder it's in because when we go to Acrobat, you can see like the PSDs don't even show up. All right, so now I'm going to just load up all of the JPEGs. The whole thing should really just take 10 minutes. It's not that hard. And there it goes. Now, just the one thing is like make sure that they're in order. Okay, so again, mine are all wacky. Okay, yours are going to be like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, again, hers are screwy. Okay, now if you need to move them around, okay, say like 2, 3 is down here, just drag it okay? And you can adjust the order, okay? But basically, I'd like it like kind of how we set it up, like front and back cover, inside cover, page 1, page 2, 3, page 4, 5, page 6, 7, page 8, and then 9 is inside back cover, okay? Now, when I'm ready to put these little guys together, all I'm going to do is hit this big blue combine button. And it should just take a second. So please have this done before crit, okay? And have this on discussion board before crit. Okay, so there, I got it. Now the weird thing is, like, look up here, it saves it as binder 1 PDF, okay? Put your name on it, okay? So go to File, Save As. Here's my Zine folder. I'm gonna click on that, and just, you know, your back name, your back name, your last name, and, like, you know, maybe the title of your zine, Disco Zine. All right, make sure it's saving as a PDF and hit save. Okay, not too hard. Not hard at all, really. So I'm sure you guys can handle that. Any questions? It's pretty straightforward. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording. And again, at the end of class, I'll put that up on